our winner of the coolest summer ever contest at 1027 Beach.
So we heard their story and we're like, hey, let's change someone's life. Let's get their house cool. Let's make it livable.
Congratulations. We're so happy for you. So happy for you.
We lived without the air for 3 years.
Too long.
Way too long.
It ends today.
It will make it so much more manageable for us to do so many things, and especially with her, it really will. Like I said, I cannot express enough gratitude.
This is life-changing. You know, I don't get good things happening to me a lot. So,
Congratulations. Round of applause for Tia.
and the temperature inside is 90 degrees.
No.
Very first year, I didn't have AC. It was 125 degrees in my room.
You're gonna come home and there's gonna be cold air when you get home.
Oh my God.
How do you feel about that?
Amazing.
Okay. Here they are. Truck's coming in.
We got the truck. We got our crane right here.
Say AC!
AC!